This is barber exercise. I'm doing a freehand fade, something I'm not a master at. I have not mastered it, but it's something I practice every now and then. So I'm just doing a freehand fade, no gauges, straight blade. It's a number 3 on the top, and I'm just taking the open blade and going from under the skin line up and flicking out. I'll do this a number of times, and then eventually I'll start reducing the lever on the side to fade out the skin line. The important thing about this, which I do know, this is not a tutorial, I'm just telling you what I'm doing though, is that it means you can fade quicker if you use this technique, but you can easily make a mistake and patch a client's hair, and that will be a problem. But if you master this, you will be able to fade a lot quicker, which I have not done, making it very clear. I have not mastered this. I'm just taking you through what I'm doing, and then you can watch it and give me your feedback and say, is it good, is it bad? I'm not a master. I haven't done this that many times, guys, so please just watch what I am doing. Freehand fading is easier on straight hair. It's a lot harder on afro hair, but it can be done. I have done freehand fading on afro hair as well, and it has come out quite decent. So every now and then I just push myself. It's almost like challenging yourself. So barbers, no matter what level you're at or how long you've been cutting hair for, whether it's 1 day or 100 years, it's always good to push yourself into the areas which you're not good at. So this is what I'm doing here. So I faded it, and now we just switched to shaping it up and went over a little bit, and there you have it. You've been in a cut with Slidercuts.